Hello everyone, I'm Zaida and this is our table of contents. And now I'm going to introduce you this introduction. And a few weeks ago, a news drew Taiwanese attention, restriction on the use of single-use cups and how they are implemented. And some places, including school, cannot provide plastic cups. And moreover, linked to previous restriction, government abandoned plastic products in some places. And all restrictions let us use more paper tablewares. And however, paper tablewares also contain plastics and lead to some questions. There are 4 parts in this presentation. In March 2022, United Nations conducted a conference in Africa, and there are over 70 governments and companies sign a statement about reducing the amount of plastics. And there are 3 reasons. First, plastics harm to marine life. They break into smaller pieces and they can harm animals in physical and chemical ways. Second, cause harm to humans. Microplastics has been found within lungs, livers, and so on, and even found in unborn new babies' bodies. And third, cause climate problems. Plastic is mainly products from fossil fuels, which means oils and gas.
Paper containers might seem like an obvious alternative to plastic, as paper is easily recyclable and the supply of which is practically infinite when its production is managed properly. However, paper on its own is not resistant to oil and water, so in order to make them feasible in real-life applications, most paper containers need to be coated in polyethylene, or more commonly known as PE, which is basically a layer of plastic. And due to this layer of PE coat, paper containers cannot be processed alongside ordinary paper products. They need to be processed at dedicated facilities to separate the 2 substances. But most people do not understand this fact, believing that the 2 are the same, resulting in them often being garbled together.
Hi, how many times will you use the paper container in whole week?
Like less than once a week.
Wow, so that which means you will bring your lunchbox by yourself?
Yeah, because my mom always cook dinner, so I can just bring what I ate last day for my lunch. So I can actually we have a cafeteria in our department, so I can heat my lunch up in the cafeteria.
Yeah, but so do you think that it's inconvenient for you? But so why would you bring that?
I think lining up for lunch is more difficult for me.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, thank you.
Hi, I'm Sharon. Now here comes our possible solutions. For our individual, what can we do? First, carefully classify your trash. For instance, paper lunchbox should be thrown into waste paper containers instead of general waste paper. Second, reduce the use of paper lunchbox and bring your own environmentally friendly lunchbox to reduce recycling costs. And for the government, they can make this 直鲜餐盒. It is made of wood, bamboo, sugarcane, and other all natural plant fibers. It is non-toxic and environmental friendly because the surface of the lunchbox is not covered with a plastic film for waterproof or oil-proof. Heating it will not produce plasticizer, so it is safe to eat. Moreover, it degrades naturally within 40 days, so it is environmental friendly and pollution free, which is in line with future environmental protection trends. Last but not least, there is Circulwell total recyclable packaging solution. It doesn't need to be separated from general paper, but directly thrown into general paper recycling, which expands the value of paper resource reuse and reduce recycling manufacturers' cost, energy consumptions, and carbon emissions. Now, let's go back to Yulia.
Hi, I'm Yulia. Then I will be responsible for conclusion part. Previously, we went through the facts of paper containers. Because of the government's new policy, paper containers are used more and more frequently. But as we mentioned before, if paper containers are not processed properly, it will cause massive environmental pollution. Through our report, we want to improve current situation by advising you to bring your own reusable lunchbox and pay more attention to related issues. In this way, we can act properly to reduce pollution. Lastly, I want to share a quote with you. A little effort towards saving the environment is better than no effort. Do not think your effort or your power is tiny. Even one action can make change. So our environment needs to be protected by everyone. Thank you. This is the end of our presentation.